In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quiz funnel on system.io. To get started, open your system.io dashboard. Once you are inside, navigate to the area where you manage funnels. In the interface, look for the option that says Funnels and click into it. This is where you will create the full quiz experience, including the pages, questions, and the paths users will follow. After you open Funnels, you will see an option to start building a new one. Click Create to begin a fresh funnel. Taking this step first is important because it sets up the foundation you will configure in the next moments. Now you will be asked to name your funnel. Choose a clear name that helps you recognize what the funnel does later. For example, you can use something like Quiz Funnel plus a short descriptor. After you enter the name, you will also need to select Build an Audience. This option prepares your funnel to collect leads and organize them properly based on what the quiz results. Make sure you select Build an Audience before you move on. Next, system.io will prompt you to select a template. Choose a template that matches the style of quiz funnel you want. Since your goal is a quiz flow, pick the most suitable template from the available options. Templates speed up setup, and then you will customize the quiz elements afterward. Once the funnel is created and the template loads, you are going to edit the page. Find and click the Edit Page option, which is represented by the magic wand icon. This opens the page editor, where you can add the survey and configure the quiz logic. At this stage, do not worry about perfect details yet. Just make sure you are inside the editor. In the page editor, you will add the survey component. Look for the survey element and add it to your page. This is the key part of the funnel because it is where the quiz questions will appear. When the survey element is added, you should see it show up in the page layout so you can start customizing it. Now that the survey is on the page, it is time to configure the survey questions and logic. Open the survey settings and begin setting up your first question. Then continue adding each question you want your audience to answer. As you do this, pay attention to how system.io lets you define answers and follow-up behavior. Logic ensures that when someone selects a certain option, they are guided to the correct next step or outcome. As you configure each question, make sure you think about the flow of the user experience. The logic should feel coherent and connected, so the quiz results actually make sense based on the choices people make. This is also where you decide how many answer choices you want for each question, and what those choices represent. After setting up the questions and logic, you will need to set the redirection for each answer choice. This means you define where a user goes next depending on what they selected. In practice, the redirection settings are what create the branching quiz experience. Take your time here and make sure every answer choice points to the correct destination that matches your intended outcome. Once you finish configuring all redirections and you have double-checked the flow, it is time to commit your changes. Click Save Changes and exit the editor. Exiting after saving keeps your work secure and ensures that your updates are applied to the funnel. Finally, your quiz funnel is not live yet. You will need to publish it. Go back to the funnel overview and click Activate. Activation publishes your funnel so real visitors can start going through the quiz pages and experiencing the logic you set up. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.